Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your Walmart account, beginner guide step by step clearly. To recover your Walmart account, start by opening your web browser. Visit the Walmart login page at walmart.com. Click on the sign in button located at the upper right corner of the page. Select the Forgot Password link below the password entry field. Enter the email address associated with your Walmart account. Click on the Continue button to proceed. Check your email inbox for a password reset email from Walmart. If you don't see it, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and click on the password reset link provided. You will be redirected to a new page where you can create a new password. Enter your new password and confirm it by typing it again in the provided field. Ensure your new password meets the required criteria for security. Click on the Submit button to finalize your password reset. Once your password has been successfully changed, return to the Walmart login page. Enter your email address and new password in the respective fields. Click on the Sign In button to access your account. If you face any issues during the process, consider using the troubleshooting options available on the page. You may also contact Walmart customer service for further assistance if needed. After successfully logging in, take a moment to review your account details. Make sure your recovery options are updated to avoid future issues. Now you can shop and manage your Walmart account with ease. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.